Did Lacson really watch the press conference or read the affidavit before using math?
Those that the executive assistants or trusted personnel of Saldico, named Mark Tiksay and Paul Estrada, processed 500 million pesos a day.
At kada delivery ay hindi bumababa sa 20 na maleta. At minsan umaabot nga ito ng 52 na maleta na kinailangan pa nila ang 6 na vans para ma-deliver lamang ang mga maleta na ito.
Kabuhat lang ako ng malita ng basura. Ang ibig sabihin ng basura ay malita na may lamang pera. Ang bawat malita ay may lamang humigit kumulang 48 million pesos. Ang bawat malita ay may push-it na nakadikit na nakasaad kung magkano ang laman ng bawat malita.
Ay 3 hanggang 4 na beses kada linggo na nagde-deliver ng pera. Niyo po ang mga kasundaluhan na nasa harap ninyo. Mula September 2022 hanggang sa kagitnaan ng 2025.
Working 24/7, 365 days a year, including unloading, counting, repacking, loading, and delivering the money. This would take 5.5 years or mid-2028. Hindi pa sila tapos mag-deliver hanggang ngayon, Mr. President. If they started in 2023 or mid-2027, if they started as early as the second semester of 2022, when then Congressman Saldico took over the chairmanship of the House Appropriations Committee. Ng Pilipinas, the total physical cash in 2024, meaning the paper bills as well as coins that were currently held by the public and circulating in the economy, including those inside bank vaults, that year stood at 2.7 trillion pesos.